Production scheduling requires careful synchronization of resources and materials. Changes ripple through everything, turning precision into chaos and profit into pressure. With disconnected systems, it's tough to keep production on track and make promises you can keep. But what if you could confidently orchestrate your entire production plan? That's precisely why you need Acumatica's Advanced Planning and Scheduling Module, or APS. APS uses both finite and infinite scheduling to master your production activities. Infinite scheduling helps you plan long-term demand, while finite scheduling ensures you use actual resource capacity to deliver on every promise. APS drives real-time material requirement dates in your MRP module, enabling just-in-time purchasing and seamless shop floor execution. This means you have the right materials at the right time without excess carrying costs. Ready to set it up? It's simple. In Acumatica, you define schedule precision from hourly intervals down to 5-minute blocks. This gives you the right balance between detailed schedules and operational flexibility to adapt to more fluid environments. You'll also assign shift calendars and capacity details to work centers, so the schedule reflects your actual production environment. See all active and planned production orders from the rough cut capacity planning screen, with flexibility to update priorities and constraint dates as you go. Need to adjust for a hot order or a bottleneck? Simply update the dispatch priority, select multiple orders at once, and schedule them individually or all together. Want to lock in a delivery date? You have the power to firm an order. This locks it into the schedule so it can't be automatically moved. Gain instant insights with the visual schedule board. See the status and sequence of every order on a clear, color-coded timeline across production resources. At a glance, you can see what's scheduled, planned, or in progress, as well as any orders that are short material or behind schedule. Need to make changes on the fly? You can modify schedules and firm operations with a simple right-click. View high-level weekly plans or zoom in to review daily work center utilization and spot potential bottlenecks before they disrupt downstream operations and customer promise dates. Use the production order view to drill down further into related subassemblies and unfulfilled material requirements, including linked purchase orders. Reports, inquiries, and dashboards deliver actionable insights for every stakeholder, from managers and planners to your shop floor workers. With capable to promise features, sales reps and customer service staff can provide customers with realistic delivery dates based on live capacity, material, and lead time data right from order entry. This ensures you only promise what you can deliver, with confidence that your whole team can stand behind. Acumatica's Advanced Planning and Scheduling app turns your production plan into a growth engine, powering efficiency and maximizing throughput. Gain real-time visibility, empower your people, and deliver every order with confidence. Ready to see how APS can elevate your manufacturing business? Visit Acumatica.com to schedule your personalized demonstration.